Hi, my name is Amandin and my faculty advisor is Dr. Tulay Flamand. In my research, I studied the spread of COVID-19 in Colorado counties by extracting the important qualitative behaviors of the evolution of new daily cases using a technique called merge trees. COVID-19 is a worldwide pandemic and highly studied. However, the fact that there are still so many unknowns related to its evolution demonstrate the complexity of the problem. One major reason for this is the lack of metrics available to compare and analyze the spread of COVID-19 in different geographic locations. Therefore, it was our goal and many other people's goal to extract and analyze as much critical information as possible from daily COVID cases data and relay that information in a very simplistic and yet powerful package. A lot of time was spent curating the data sets containing the daily COVID cases data per county. This process included applying a moving average, cropping the time frame, and rescaling the daily counts by county population. However, even after all these curations, the graphs were simply too noisy and provided much more information than just the critical points we wanted. We defined these critical points to be extremum that occurred in the new daily cases curve, including maximums and minimums. Therefore, we decided to fit a 20th degree polynomial through our data to smooth it out even more. The degree of this polynomial was chosen after several tests which we observed to capture all the desired critical behaviors. Once we had cleaned our data through all these steps, we proceeded to analyze the curves using merge trees. Merge trees capture the changes in topology that occur at isolated critical points, also known as extremum. One can quickly discern the big picture behavior of the county's COVID case evolution by simply taking a glance at its associated merge tree. We can now create a comparison metric between different merge trees so we can identify how dissimilar two merge trees are based on some characteristics. We computed 3 characteristics, including a merge tree's complexity, its side ratio, and a number of significant rates of change between extremum. By graphing these in 3 dimensions, we have identified 2 very interesting clusters. However, it remains unknown what the defining parameter for these clusters is. In conclusion, in this work, we applied merge trees to our cases data, which allowed us to compare the behavior of the spread of COVID-19 in different counties in Colorado. Future work would include more concrete comparisons using standard distance metrics and the implementation of different types of data, which could reveal further patterns between county behaviors and might give us some validation for the clusterings we saw previously in the 3D graph. I'm extremely grateful to Mind's undergraduate research fellowship for making this research possible.